Besema is one of Russia's leading mechanical engineering companies specializing in the development of modern technology for the cement, chemical and metals industries. In-house design and research centers, international partnerships, innovative technology allow Besema to offer solutions of the highest quality. Advanced equipment significantly expands the capabilities of the manufacturing process and strengthens the company's economic performance. Plate chains for handling of raw materials and finished products have demonstrated high performance, and conveyors and other transport devices operated in the severe conditions of dry frictions and abrasive wear in the cement industry. Chains are made of high-quality low steels. All chains parts are heat-treated. The painted design of the chains, quick release connecting, link greatly facilitates repair and maintenance. Special purpose bucket elevator is designed for the vertical transportation of cement and other bulk materials. Mechanical handling of bulk cargo can significantly increase the energy intensity of the production process and reduce the production costs. The elevator is designed to operate in an abrasive environment. Bucket design and the high strength chain provide high wear resistance and extended service life. Loader TA15L for dust-free loading of cement truck and cement rail cars composite of a stationary unit. One or two carriages capable of traveling both along and across the vehicle axis. The loader's primary function is to ensure failure-free and environmentally friendly loading of cement. Conveyor CMS 1611V for horizontal and inclined transportation of bulk materials. The conveyor is available in standard and custom size. All elements of the conveyor are made of high-low steels using special technology. Up to 6,000 tons of materials with a temperature of up to 215 degrees per hole. Pneumatic chamber pumps and pneumatic screw pumps exhibit high durability in abrasive duties and high performance in the transportation of cement and other bulk materials by pipelines to a distance of up to 1,000 meters using compressed air. Bulk semi-trailers for bulk transportation of bulk materials optimize the logistic and reduce the delivery cost of finished products. These semi-trailers are designed to be operated by 4x2, 6x2 or 6x4 tractors of highways of categories 1, 2, 3. Moisture oil separator CMS 3044 for capturing moisture, oil and suspended particles in compressed air is used in pneumatic cement handling systems and is well known for its reliability in the cement industry. Process equipment and bulk vehicles by Besema bring state-of-the-art customizable technology to the cement industry operations and offer lower operating costs and higher margins. Standard and custom solutions make possible automation of the majority of processes, reduce operating, maintenance and repair costs. Solutions by Besema are a profitable investment in your business.